Here are 3 different ways to take a screenshot on iOS 26. First, and the easiest one, is find your volume up button on the left side, find the on, off, or action button on the right side, press them both at the same time, screenshot appears in the bottom corner. You can tap on it, then you can crop it, resize it however you want, use the markup tools. Down here, you can share it, or you can just tap this check mark and then save it to your photos, save to files, save to quick note, copy and delete, or delete screenshot. So I'll save to photos, and now it's going to be in our Photos app. The second way to take a screenshot is activate Siri and just ask her to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, please. Boom, screenshot. And all the same tools are available. The last way, which is a little more roundabout in this example, but if you have this set up already, you might find this quite efficient. But if you don't have it set up yet, it's a little roundabout. And that is going to settings, scrolling down to accessibility, scrolling down to touch, turning on assistive touch. Now we have this virtual home button here, which does a lot of different things on your phone. So if we come back out of here, if we tap on this, and then we tap on device, and then we tap on more, we can tap over here, take a screenshot. And there's our screenshot. So that's a fun way to do it if you're using Assistive Touch already. If you want to know more about Assistive Touch and how useful it is, I have a video dedicated to it. I'll link to that in the card up above and the description down below if I remember, and then you can check that out. So those are 3 different ways you can take screenshots with iOS 26. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the recycling bin or the trash bin on your iPhone. It'll free up storage space, and you've probably never done it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.